So this recipe right now is blowing up in Korea. It's called Mayak Eggs. Mayak actually means drugs in Korea. So we had Mayak Kimbap and now it's Mayak Eggs. So addictive that you just can't get enough of it. We actually made a similar variant to this, except we boiled the soy sauce. This one is no boiling, very simple ingredients, and we'll try and see if it's crack eggs. First thing, of course, is boiling some egg. And I want to teach you this one tip that I started doing that's really helpful in peeling off hard-boiled eggs. Pointy side up, here's the fat base. And then you can just ever so slightly give it a light tap. Right, and you see there's a little crack here, but nothing's coming out, right? That inner membrane hasn't been cracked. If you have some anger management issues, this is going to be a little bit tough exercise. Again. Tap, tap, tap. Good. See? I can never get it at once. I gotta go da 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 da. I don't know, it's just rhythmical. Da da. Oh. Put the eggs into a pot first. I got a total of 8. You can do more or less. Pour enough water just to cover about an inch above the eggs. Let's bring the water up to a boil. Just salt the water a little bit. And then just a few squeezes of vinegar. Put the lid on. And today we're gonna do a 6-minute egg. A 5-minute egg, it's just too runny because we're gonna let it sit overnight. Take it off the heat and then let it sit in the residual heat for 6 minutes. Alright guys, 6 minutes is up. Katie, come try peeling one of these eggs and see if you think it's easier.
Why it already has a crack?
Yeah, because I slightly cracked it before even doing it. It's a new method. Come closer, show them.
Yeah, it is pretty easy.
Yeah, it's coming off and
once you start it.
Just give it a little roll.
Whoa!
Because it's already been cracked, the outside. So look. Oh no! I shoveled it.
I just do my own way. I like to do it in big chunks and it's almost better. Look, I'm better. But I don't believe in that rolling technique.
Well, you don't have to believe in it. It's facts. Facts first. Next thing, we want to get some spring onions. Size of your forearm and then equal length of the green stalk. Feel free to use green onions as well, and if you are, I would use like 3 or 4. A tiny bit of heat. It's not going to add that much spiciness, but it does give a slight kick. 1 Korean Cheongyang chili pepper. You can also use a jalapeno, but I would use about a half of a jalapeno, and I would quarter them first and then dice them up real small. I'm also going to use this red one just for color. This thing has no heat. Just cut them up real small. Oh, that looks beautiful. Great, guys. And next, get a Tupperware or a container that you're going to put the eggs in. And then let me teach you the ratio. So this is the most important part. 1 cup of soy sauce. Then you want to use drinking water, not tap water, because we're going to eat this straight without boiling. 1 cup of water. So it's 1-to-1 ratio. And then we're going to do a half cup of sugar. Now, if you don't want to use sugar, you can also use honey, but I would use a little bit more, maybe 3/4 cup of honey. Do some Breaking Bad and mix all this up together. Make that addictive potion right here. Mix it up nice so that the sugar gets well incorporated. And to that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Of course, guys, this is a Korean recipe. Then we're going to add in the spring onions or the green onions. And then the chili peppers in like that. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. That's 1 and 2. And this concoction of goodness is where our eggs are going to just sit. Drop all the eggs in. Cover the lid, and then we're going to pop it in the refrigerator for at least 5 hours. Alright, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's time for me to shower and sleep. Alright guys, good morning. Alright, I'm going to open it up, and ooh, look at the color. And from here guys, it's very simple. I don't have that much energy to do anything right now, but just eat eggs. Got some fresh rice. I'm going to scoop out one of the eggs. Alright guys, there it is. I just mix up the soy sauce just a little bit on the bottom. And then just a little bit of soy sauce. And now let's crack this egg in half. Oh my gosh, it's perfection. Oh my gosh. There it is. Most important thing, we're gonna put a dab of sesame oil. Alright, and guys, this is your breakfast right here. Looks amazing, huh?
So Daniel, how do I eat it?
Mix it up a little bit. Oh
Break
my
the egg?
gosh. Yeah, you gotta break the
Oh
egg.
no, don't break it too much.
Mix it up. I'll save one on the side. Then if you have other panchan, you can put that right on the side as well.
Let me try it with the egg inside.
Is it really good?
It's a new world.
Really? It's a brave new world?
Let me try the egg alone. It tastes a bit different to the previous soy sauce egg we made.
Oh, the one we made? It tastes a bit different. Which one do you like better?
I like both, but this egg tastes less salty.
Oh, wow. Have a great day, Katie.
Have a great day.
Adios.
Bye bye.
Bonjour.
봉주 아니야.